Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair dove 1.1% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin rose 0.8% against the dollar in the last trading session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The Aussie-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.2%. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
US President-elect Donald Trump demanded that BRICS member countries commit to not creating a new currency or supporting another currency that would replace the United States dollar or face 100% tariffs. China's factory activity expanded modestly for a second straight month in November, an official survey showed, adding to a string of recent data suggesting a blitz of stimulus is finally trickling through the world's second-largest economy, just as Donald Trump ramps up his trade threats. Russia's government lifted a temporary ban on the bulk of gasoline exports supplied by producers, while extending the restrictions for other exporters, such as independent traders and resellers, until January 31, 2025. The initial ban on gasoline exports was set to expire at the end of the year.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Investors should take note of the economic calendar over the next few days, as it brings forth a variety of high-impact and medium-importance events. These data releases may cause significant market shifts, impacting trading strategies and investor sentiment. Understanding these updates helps frame the broader market context. Reacting appropriately to economic shifts can be the difference between seizing opportunity and facing challenges.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.